What's up, guys? We went out the other day and we bought all the stuff that we need to make ugly Christmas sweaters, and we're gonna start doing it right now. Are you guys excited?
Yes.
Do we have all the stuff that we need?
Yeah, you think so.
Cool.
Yup.
So I don't really have a plan. I have no idea what to do.
Me
I think
either.
I'm just gonna like glue a bunch of Christmas stuff on this and just call it Christmas throw up.
Me too.
What are you gonna do, Michelle?
Everybody's just doing
Same
Christmas
thing?
throw up?
Miles, what's your plan?
Hey, you didn't ask for that.
What are you gonna do, Miles?
I'm
What's your
gonna
plan?
put this on.
I love this. This is so fun. I might use some of it
What are
too.
you putting on?
This stuff.
Nice, I love that stuff.
And Daddy, what are you doing over there?
I'm trying to get my pinball game glued on, but hot glue is not working.
Oh no.
I didn't think it would. I might have, I can't find the needle and thread though. Did I do
Oh,
it?
I love it. That's awesome.
We need to take paintball on there.
Oh no, I'm gonna have to tip myself upside down to get all the balls back.
Michelle just asked how we're gonna wash these, and the thing with ugly Christmas sweaters is
You don't.
Well,
you wear
not
them
when-
once a year. And
Not,
hopefully you don't.
not when you
sweat.
make them like this. They don't. The Office. I'm a pretty big Office fan, and last night I found a video of 10 hours of Michael Scott feeding the birds. You remember that scene where he's really sad and he goes off and he's throwing bread for the birds and he goes caw caw and he throws a piece? It plays in an infinite loop, well not infinite, but a 10-hour loop.
Oh my god.
And I watched it for a good like 20 minutes.
Were you in a sad mood while you were watching it?
No, I was like, how long can I watch this? And the answer is 20 minutes. So when ugly sweaters come around, do you guys make your own? Or do you buy them? We're a make your own kind of family, because I don't actually think that the ugly sweaters in the store are all that ugly.
Like the ones that say like meowy Christmas, there's cats all over it.
I have a mustache. I just realized when I'm gonna be walking around the bells.
Yes, the bells are gonna get very annoying.
So it's ugly to the eye and the ears.
Yes.
Yes.
And we are one day short of National Ugly Christmas Sweater Day. That was yesterday?
It was yesterday.
But
All right, here's how I'm looking so far.
whoa.
I think I'm pretty close to done.
Wow.
How does it look?
That's intense.
Right?
I love it.
I don't know what else to put. We didn't get as much as I wish we got,
Yeah.
but I think we have enough that I'm happy.
Okay. What you're wearing?
Yeah, look, I did my collar. Would this be bedazzled? And check it out.
Wow! That is so fun. Did you win yet?
No,
Yeah.
the problem is getting them all back in there. Brings it all together.
I love it.
That's mine. That's mine.
That's so awesome.
I know.
So awesomely ugly.
I love it, dude.
Hey, it's not ugly.
It's supposed to be.
Very ugly. Well, somehow we finished, and look, I ended up getting my game on. Woo, and it's even staying too. I don't know, I gotta tip myself upside down to get the balls back down here. Nah, I think mine came out pretty cool. Michelle, how'd yours come out, buddy?
I don't know.
I think it looks awesome.
The Santa feet.
I wanted those Santa feet, but I think they suit you better.
No. I picked those out. You pointed at
Hey, you know what's great about video editing? Say something.
Hello.
All right, Amanda,
I finished my sweater.
how'd it come out?
It's pretty ugly.
Well, yeah, it's pretty ugly.
What do you think?
It looks pretty awful.
My bow's about to come off, but
Yeah.
whatever.
I
Here it
don't
goes.
Hot glue them.
There goes Boo.
All right.
I did.
And Miles, I think yours might be the best of all of them.
Hey.
You did a great job, buddy.
Give me a doll.
I really love the tie. I think the tie is my favorite part.
Yeah, that's mine, but I think mine is really, really ugly.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think so
Mine-
too.
Good.
Whoa. Well, I think that's gonna wrap it up today.
We made ugly Christmas sweaters.
Mm-hmm.
We had a lot of fun.
Yep.
And happy Vlogmas.
Don't forget to...
Ring